It's a 2022 Ford Mustang Mach.
Cause I know I can. This ain't nothing. This one clean, all blue money, not that green. I ain't got that dirty Glock this time, I'm riding with that clean. You wouldn't squeeze when I pull the trigger, I know you had that dream. On the M with a long K, right off Martin Luther King. Everything I said gon' go over your head, but I ain't tripping. Deuce one having that, I got the bill if I ain't listen. Them blue and red lights, the green and me, I think it's Christmas. This my 5th time cracking, what's so crazy?
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, Chester Got Keys, man. I'm back with a video, man. I've been gone for a minute, you know what I'm saying? That's because I've been working a lot, man. Like right now, I am at work. Today, I got a special car. The reason why I'm saying special is because not a lot of times you see this car right here. So I'll first go ahead and show you real quick. But before I even do that, try to subscribe. All right, that's one. Because right now we at 11K. My goal is hit 20K. All right, so try to hit 20K subscribers. Like this video, comment. Leave it down below of what other car you actually see me do a video on. But I'm finna just go ahead and show y'all this car, man. 22 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Not a Mach-E, y'all. ain't the fake ones.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Actually, the real one. As you can see, says Mach 1 right there. So this does have the Coyote 5.0 pushing 470 horsepower. It does have the 19-inch aluminum wheels with the Brembo brakes. And of course, it's on these Cup 2s, which are racing tires. All right. So these are brand new tires, so we do have to be careful on these. So this is the back end. Of course, got the dual exhaust coming out the bottom, the GT500 style, of course. And this beautiful gray. It's like a grayish color. I'm not really too sure of what this color is. Yeah, I'm not going to talk too much because I know you guys want to hear this thing. So I ain't finna tuck your head off too much. You already know what it is. So I'm gonna give y'all a warm start. I did start it up to bring it over here. So I'll give you a warm start. And that is in track mode, by the way. So, but that cold start was pretty loud. I should have recorded it for y'all, but that cold start was pretty loud. So, but other than that, y'all, we finna go ahead and get this thing in. Let me warm it up some more. Yeah, we're gonna take it out in the back rows and see what this thing can really do. Then, like different modes, I'll put it in. It'll get stiffer. It's stiffer. So right now, it's actually pretty smooth. Actually, gear shifting pretty good. So this thing's actually pretty smooth. And this is my first time actually driving this car. It's my first time actually driving a Mustang 5.0 period. So I'm always in Hellcats, Scat Packs, Camaros, stuff like that. So I'm really never in the Mustang. So, all right. So now we're gonna put the transmission in sport so that we can play with the paddle shifters. Yeah, I like the way that it shifts. Yeah, it's gonna be a little shaky. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I gotta get a new tripod. My tripod always breaking. Get a little bit of gas. Okay, it's responsive. I barely had to put my foot down too, and it just responded and go. Let's roll these windows down so you guys can really hear it. Oh yeah, I'm like, okay. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, I like the downshifts on this thing. And this thing just in sport, like Oh my god, yeah, that thing. Yeah, okay. I like this thing. Okay, now what is this little kid doing? Pretty neat, you guys. You hear them tires? Damn, that rock. These tires are a little warm now. All right. So sport mode is cool. Now we're gonna go on the Sport Plus. Now let's see what this thing does. Okay. Sport Plus. And listen, I just love the way that the throttle is. Like, you barely have to push it down and it's ready to go. Like, that's what I like. Oh yeah, I like the shifts. Okay. Oh yeah, this thing just keeps pulling. This thing just wants to keep pulling. Oh yeah. Yo, look at this big ass bird. What the fuck? Oh shit. That big ass bird. Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys. I think I'm starting to be a Mustang guy. I think I'm starting to be a Mustang guy because this thing is sweet. This thing is fun. Yeah, this thing is fun. Make sure if no cars come in. I think we're Gucci. Oh yeah. I just love that sound like when you get up there. Like you don't even have to be speeding and it just sounds good. Dog, imagine a exhaust on this thing. Just imagine the exhaust on this thing. Oh yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna get a 5.0, you guys. And make that thing turn. Like this thing is fun, and this thing is cheap. Like I said, ours is 53.9. So like this is, and it only has 7,000 miles. Oh yeah, I think this is bang for its buck. Like this thing is pretty dope. Like this downshifts, bro. downshifts are pretty nice. All right, you guys, so I put it in drag mode and we're gonna see how it does. And everything's in track, as you can see. And that, yeah. And you can hear the pops a little bit more. Oh yeah, I think I fell in love with a Mustang. And let me know what you guys think also. Like, should I get one for the channel? Like, let me know. Comment down below. I think I should get a Mustang for the channel, y'all. And this thing is actually pretty sweet. I like it a lot. Alright, y'all just want to hear it? Oh my God. Like, just listen to that. I'm barely on it. This thing is nice. I like it. I thought that was the police. So with this specific model, this one, I thought this one would have like launch control and stuff like that. No, it doesn't have launch control or anything. It's just, it has line lock, which we can't do that on this one. No, it does have line lock. So. We got some slow drivers. Oh yeah. And we're back, y'all. So I don't really know where I can really get a thumbnail at, so I just have to do it here and get y'all to the Mach right here. Oh yeah, I like that. It's the downshifts and the upshifts for me. That's what it really is for me. We'll probably put it at an angle. Put it at an angle. How we had it with the fish chain. Give y'all another outside of it. I haven't really let y'all really hear it, honestly. Yeah.
In a family pack. Nigga trying to race for 10 bands like where my daddy at. This Mustang got 1,000 some horses. Fuck your scatty pack. White boy just knocked my dough down like where the Addies at.